Alright.
Okay, hello everyone. I'm Pooja, and today is a reading session, as Sanjalin mentioned. So we will be reading about. There's a book called Corporate Chanakya on management. So this complete book talks about how a person should manage his or her business. So some tips directly which comes from Chanakya. So we'll start reading, and I'll choose the person who will read first and who will read last. So you just have to read it like you're reading a story, and something like when there is a comma, you need to stop for a little while, but when there is a full stop, you need to like stop. Okay. So, Akash.
Yeah, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Can you start reading from here? A special focus has to be given to corporate security personnel.
Okay, ma'am. A special focus has to be given to corporate security personnel in the following manner. Extra training. The guards, watchmen, and other security guards in your organization have to be given extra training and information about the current scenario. They should be briefed about the threats faced by the country and the region specifically. You can also take the help of the local police or intelligence agencies to give them the latest updates about security measures suggested by the local, state, and union government. Support the security guards. All the employees have to be made aware of the alarming situation we were in. They should cooperate with security officials. Being tricked and having your bags and personal belongings checked should not be taken as an act calculated to offend you. Do not feel insulted or ashamed. The security personnel is performing his duty. Be part of the system and help the system protect us.
Okay. Akash, one thing. पहला तो आपने जो personal बोला, it's personal, okay? Because personal is something personal, personal is something who's doing duty. And when you read, you need to kind of read aloud and a bit clear so that everybody can understand, okay? While putting emphasis on what you are reading, like the guards, watchmen, and other security guards in your organization have to be given extra training and information. Something like putting more influence in what you're reading. So you can read one more thing, the right managers, okay?
Okay. Shall I start?
Yeah.
Selecting the right managers. An executive manager plays a key role in the successful functioning of a company. His selection and appointment is very important for the growth of the organization. Headhunters and placement agencies provide resources and services for hiring the right candidates. However, the parameters have to be set by the employer. Kautilya, in his Arthashastra, gives us detailed guidelines to follow while selecting managers who are fresh management trainees and also those who are experienced and need to be directly recruited for higher responsibilities.
Okay, other just two things. First, read really slowly, like when there is a full stop, stop for a while. Like an executive manager plays a key role in the successful functioning of a company. His selection and appointment is very important for the growth of the organization. You need to give a gaps while you change lines. Second thing, it's Arthashastra, which also means economics. And Kautilya is a person we are talking about here who is there in the book Arthashastra. Okay. So I want you to read of the book which is mentioned. So good, but you can be better. And when you start reading your own books and you have that kind of novels at your home, start reading them, and then your pronunciation and the way people actually read books will definitely improve. Okay. Then we have Shubham Patra.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi. Okay, so you can read from while the job responsibilities are being delegated.
Okay. While the job responsibilities are being delegated to team members, Kautilya outlines 5 focus areas for a CEO. Captivity. The captivity for doing work is a key factor in understanding a person's ability. Only an able person can bring out the best results. In many organizations, managers are recruited based on influence. However, if the person is not capable, the professionalism of the company suffers. One may get the chair based on influence, but the chair will not let you be there for long. Rank or designation. Rank and designation should be given based on the candidate's ability. In the current corporate world, we find the ranks are distributed freely. Even freshers are given senior positions without examining their output. The distribution of designation should be done based on the results produced. This is the key to success, particularly for many family managed business in India. Place. A place needs to be appointed at the right place. In industries, if a new branch is being opened, a preference is given to the local candidate. This is because he will understand more about that particular region than others. In the tourism industry, every traveler prefers a local guide to an outsider, as locals have more knowledge, more details. Time. Timing has to be assigned to the person. First, the time by when he must join the project. Then, the time frame has to be agreed upon to finish the project. Time bound targets have to be set in order to bring out the best in a person. Work. The work expected to be done by that particular manager has to be defined. Management by objectives, MBO, a concept of key results area, KRA, gives a definite focus to the manager. This should be followed by a proper and regular feedback system. In the
Okay.
above areas,
Okay, stop. Okay, so first, again, same advice, don't run while you read. Read very slowly,
Okay.
not so slow, but not so fast, okay? So that everybody could read with you. This is capacity, not I don't know what you read. This is capacity, okay? And we have this is examining their output. And when there is a full stop, we need to stop for a little while, okay? Not just to run like that. And when you are talking like this, management by objectives, which is also known as MBO, concept of key result areas, which is also known as KRA, gives a definite focus to the manager. This should be followed by a proper and regular feedback system. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Copy your product and services, but never your culture. Such a culture should be friendly and open. Every employee should feel that he is part of your family. Break all the rules, get out of your cabin, and spend more time with your staff. Let your organization be the one where everyone feels proud to work.
Okay, so again the same problem you're running. Don't read so fast. Read not very slowly, but slowly, so that everybody can read with you. Okay? And somewhere here, this is a philosopher, and I don't know what this is. Restless.
Organizational.
Yes, organizational. This is organization, and this is priority. Okay, priority. Okay, read slow. Okay, do not run.
Copy your product and services, but never your culture. Such a culture should be friendly and open. Every employee should feel that he is part of your family. Break all the rules, get out of your cabin, and spend more time with your staff. Let your organization be the one where everyone feels proud to work.
Okay, so again the same problem you're running. Don't read so fast. Read not very slowly, but slowly, so that everybody can read with you. Okay? And somewhere here, this is a philosopher, and I don't know what this is. Restless.
Organizational.
Yes, organizational. This is organization, and this is priority. Okay, priority. Okay, read slow. Okay, do not run.
Certificates, press cuttings, reports of the projects you have handled, all these could be helpful. Talk about their benefits. During the interview, it is very important to discuss the benefits that you can give to your organization. Talk in terms of definite numbers. Do a little bit of research as you prepare for the interview. whatever new assignment you take up, you have to leave your mark. Bob Dole, a former American leader who ran for the US presidency, once said, "When it's all over, it's not who you are, it's whether you made a difference."
Okay, Kritika, very nice. You were amazing. But some of the words. This is US presidency. When it's all over, it's not who you were. Okay, were. Okay, it's whether you made a difference. And you were reading the headings perfectly. I mean, amazing. And you were not running. And you were quite confident. And I guess that's the best part. Sanjana, you want to add anything?
You asking me?
Sorry?
You asking me, Pooja?
Yeah.
You
Do you want to
asking
add
me?
any points?
She not perfectly pause after the comma. I noticed it.
Yeah, I've said the words where she was not pronouncing it well. This is Bob Dole. Okay. Otherwise, Kritika, you were not running and yeah, you were quite confident.
This was a very good book to learn. I mean, of course, to read and then correct the way you read, and also to understand how management works. Yeah. Let's hear some feedback from them. You have some questions for them, you can go ahead and ask them.
Okay, so I have some questions for you guys. You all read one of these two paragraphs from the book, which is called Corporate Chadakya on Management. So I want you to tell me that what you exactly learned from that paragraph. If you've read that paragraph, you must have learned something, right? So anybody can go first.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, responsibilities of the managers and company to the women. And that is they should take responsibilities. That is what
I concentrated about my reading, so I didn't. But about organization, something I learned.
Okay, so Rishita, yeah, reading is important, but when you read something, it is also important that you understand it. Okay, so next time, please, when you read something, whether fast, slow, confident, or underconfident, you need to understand what exactly you're reading. Okay? And we have
Yes, ma'am.
Pranjal hands up. Yeah, don't worry.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Pranjal.
It was basically about the principles one should follow for proper management.
Mm-hmm. Not exactly principles, I would say some kind of rules or steps given by Chadakya to us new generation to put it, use it in our management of business. But you were quite near, so good. And if we have Adit Krishnan, Akash.
Why not we have another passage, and this time they're going to read and they're going to understand the what content is there in that.
Sure,
Can
okay.
we do that?
Yes.
Yeah, so this time we're going to have you read be it 5 lines, 1 line, not 1 line, 5 lines, 1 paragraph, but you're going to understand the content, each and every line, each and every word, and you're going to say that
Honest, correct. Honest. Okay, then we have, I again forgot her name.
Despite the best safety measures and politics made to avoid accidents, there is a possibility that an employee may lose his life during work.
Okay, when you were reading, life is very precious. Okay, it's precious and it's kind of in bold, so you need to read it like it is in bold. Like, life is very precious, and the death of a person brings great sorrow to his near and dear ones. This is despite, and this is policies. Okay.
Policies. Okay.
Yes. Anything you want to add on, Sanjana?
one thing for them is that, did you notice the tone modulation what Pooja had when she read the first line? Life is precious, very precious, and very bold, and death of the person brings great sorrow to his near and dear ones. So it was stress to normal. So that tone modulation should be there whenever you read. Even in news reading, I'm sure you have observed it. So that is a must. So I want to point out the positive thing in her reading.
Yes.
Thank
We
And what they have understood from the
correct.
paragraph.
So we'll start with Pranjal. Okay.
Alright,
Yes.
Pranjal,
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what did you
I
learn?
have understood that in remember be in your responsibility and your capability will lead to a successful person in your life. That's it.
The job done. Okay. So it's not just about good resumes and business plans. It's also about just knowing your strengths and going to the right people who can give you the job for that kind of strength. And that was the meaning of your paragraph. Then we have Akash.
changes are quite visible as in quite noticeable.
Mm-hmm.
The first time most of you read, I found that you're either slow, you're not pausing in the right place, or you are not stressing on the right words. The second time you read, you were doing it. And also some of you, I think most of you took the effort to understand the
Meaning.
content in that paragraph, meaning of the paragraph, which is very good. Although some people, yes, need to work on it, just work on it. I mean, and one thing, when someone gives you a paragraph or a thing, and then they say that they ask you to paraphrase it in 2-3 lines, you do not say what I understood. You say my understanding from the paragraph. Start with my understanding. Don't never start with what I understood. Is this that's the wrong way to start a sentence? Just say my understanding from this paragraph in this booklet, or some understanding from this book is that, and you continue. Okay, that's the second. The one thing I want to convey. The second thing is I'm telling this based on previous sessions you have attended. And sorry, Pooja, I'm not interrupting you. I'm just trying to convey the importance of the previous sessions through this session. And second thing is, when someone asks you to paraphrase it, just paraphrase it in such a way that you are conveying the meaning of the entire paragraph in the most efficient manner. That they even if they don't want to read the paragraph, they should know, okay, this is what the paragraph contains.
It's not like a feedback. Most of people of my age are like people who do not like to read. I was one of them, and after my schooling got complete, after I got into first year in the university life, I found that reading is so important, and it's really important because it helps you communicate to people. It will give you different types of topics to discuss on debates and discussions, and it will also help you improve your pronunciation and help you in the competitive English exams which are happening if you want to go abroad. So firstly, I want to point out that if you are not a person who reads regularly, start reading with a small book. Go for a very small and basic and easy books, and then develop your reading habit, and it will eventually help you in your academics and curriculum, definitely, because it helped me. And the second thing, when you read those books, it is important to understand the meaning of what exactly author wants you to understand. Okay, so if you're reading the kind of book that is corporate management, I have one more book of the similar that corporate Chanakya. It's all about business. So if you are interested in management and business books, there are hundreds of books available on the internet, on PDFs, ebooks, and you can also buy on Amazon. If you're interested in normal science and fiction, normal science books. Now we have also science and that kind of books which gives us knowledge regarding sky, earth, and something related to science. I'm sorry, not my topic, and so I don't read that kind of books. But these kinds of books are also available on internet as PDFs, and of course you can order on Amazon, and there are fiction books available all around the world. So start with a basic book, and my friend once said to me that start slow and go big, so do that. And once you start reading, It will help you communicate well. It will help you be more confident while reading. It will help with your vocab and pronunciations. Look, everybody is learning. I am here. I'm learning. I am learning. I'm not bigger than you. I'm just of the same age, and I'm just learning. And today I'm conducting this kind of session with the help of Sanjalin is also a kind of miracle, because I was a kind of person who was very afraid to talk to new people. And I guess reading and talking to people with this kind of communication, I guess reading helped me a lot. So please do read books. If not books, do read newspapers or short stories or poems available on the internet. There are hundreds of stuff available on the internet. Use it. I just want to say that, Sanjay.
Thank you, ma'am.
This point is quite important, and I hope all of you have understood the essence of what Pooja conveyed. Do read, start reading small, and then the first time probably you can stress on the pronunciation. Second time, stress and pause. Third time, another aspect. Fourth time, another aspect. Fifth time, master all the 5 aspects together in one reading. That's the ideal way to do it. I mean,
Correct.
this is something we do in music also. We touch one aspect the first time we practice, second aspect in second practice, and the 10th practice we touch all the 10 aspects in that one single song. So that's how we do music, and I'm sure this is the principle that we follow for almost all the trainings that we receive. So start doing that, and I'll get to know if you're reading. I can check it another day.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay. I hope
Thank
you
you so
guys
much,
like the
Pooja.
session.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yeah. It was a great session, actually. Pooja, thank you so much. You just told your journey as how you never read, and then how you started reading and how it has helped you. And this sure is should be a motivation for all of